In this class we will draw a sketch and learn how to apply geometric relationships, preparing it to add dimensions. The geometric relationships are very important because they define the behavior of the created entities, as we will see in the course of the class. Shall we get started? In a new file part, we select the front plane, and on the floating bar we click on Sketch. We click on the command line and from the origin we draw a line to the right. Note the box indicating the geometric ratio applied automatically, in this case, horizontal. With the help of auxiliary lines, we draw a vertical line and see the geometric ratio applied automatically, in this case, vertical. We continue to trace the lines as shown, closing the profile. With the help of the escape key we leave the command line. To check the geometric relations applied in the sketch, in the View menu, Hide/Show option, just click on Sketch Relations. We can delete any relationship by clicking on its symbol and typing delete. To stop displaying relations, we go back to the View, Hide/Show menu and click on Sketch Relations. To view the relationships applied to an entity, simply click on it in the graphical area and look at the Property Manager. Proceeding, we click on the command circle and draw two circles inside the profile, clicking once to position and once to define the diameter. We type Escape to exit the circle command. To apply a geometric relationship, we must select the two geometries that will be related. We click on one of the circles and, with the Control key pressed, click on the other circle. By releasing the CTRL key, observe on the floating bar the relationships that we can apply. The Property Manager shows the selected entities, if there are already relationships between them and what relationships we can add. This information varies depending on the selected entities. We click Concentric and notice that the two circles have become concentric. We click on Undo to undo the application. We clicked on the Equal option and noticed that the two circles were the same size. We click on the two lines shown, using the Control key. By releasing the Control key, the floating bar shows some relationships that we can apply. We see that the lines are already vertical and in the Property Manager we have the selected entities and relationship options to apply. We click on the option Collinear and see that they become aligned. We click on the center point of the circle and the vertex shown. Observe the relationships we can apply. We apply the horizontal relationship and note that the circle is aligned to the vertex. Undo keystroke by clicking Ctrl-Z and clicking vertical. Again the circle is aligned with the vertex, now vertically. Undo it, click Merge and notice that the center point of the circle lies exactly on the vertex, so we undo it. Another way to add relationships is by using the menu tools, Relations, option Add. Note that the command for adding relationships is enabled, making it unnecessary to use the Control key for selecting entities. We select the center points of the circles, set it to vertical and confirm the command. The Display, Delete Relations tool allows us to work with the relationships applied in the sketch. Enabling the All in this sketch option, all relationships applied to the sketch are listed. By clicking on a listed relationship, it is highlighted in the graphic area and we can delete it. We can also delete all relationships by clicking on the Delete All option. We finished this class, where we learned about the application of geometric relations in the sketch.